Welcome to our What's New for SOLIDWORKS 2026 series. Over the next few minutes, I'll take you through some of the updates for collaboration with SOLIDWORKS when connected to the 3D Experience platform. Aura is your AI companion. Quickly summarize community posts, wikis, questions and ideas to capture key takeaways at a glance. Inside SOLIDWORKS Design, Aura enables you to start natural language conversations that pull context from posts, wikis, and even what's new documentation. With SOLIDWORKS Design 2026, you can save configurations as a new individual physical product. This allows for greater flexibility in how you structure your designs and provides full control over managing the associated references when saved. The SOLIDWORKS community is the best in the industry, and the user forums have always been a rich source of information and help. Now you can access the forums directly from the SOLIDWORKS Design task pane, making it easier than ever to access the knowledge of the user community, get valuable feedback of your questions, learn from others, and participate in showing your own knowledge and insights. SOLIDWORKS Design makes it easy to seamlessly share your designs right from the file menu. Choose from an extensive list of standard formats such as PDF, STEP, STL and IGES, and ensure security by controlling who can access your shared designs. Usernames, approval dates and maturity status are all important parts of the change process. With SOLIDWORKS Design, drawing stamping now happens automatically as each change action task is completed, providing a final drawing that's complete and accurate. SOLIDWORKS Design now provides support for saving weldment cut lists to the 3D Experience platform. As you save your design, simply indicate that you want the cut list items published. Weldments that contain structural, sheet metal and plates are all supported. Once saved, the cut list items are reflected in the task pane and accessible on the 3D Experience platform, allowing you to build a more accurate engineering bill of materials. Design tables have always been a powerful way to create multiple configurations, and linking to an external design table provides convenient access to automating those configurations outside of SOLIDWORKS. Now when you save your components to the 3D Experience platform, the external design table relationship is recognised. In addition to being stored with the part, you have full visibility to the reference relationships between the two items, ensuring complete design management. Purchased components are a key part of any design. These components, such as this gasket seal, are bought in bulk, assigned a part number, and then can be deformed into their installed state. In SOLIDWORKS Design, you can now identify a component as deformable. To ensure proper traceability, you can associate the installed state component with the purchase component by searching for the part number and selecting from a filtered list of deformable components matching your search. Once associated, the two share a part number, ensuring full traceability when searched. SOLIDWORKS Design now provides the ability for file locations that reference bookmarks to automatically update, ensuring you always have access to the latest content. 3D Swim communities are a powerful tool for collaborating with colleagues. Now you can extend that collaboration to include projects, issues, bookmarks and more, making it easier than ever to have all your project information easily accessible in one place. Ensuring the right people in your organisation review and approve a document is an important part of a release process. Now you can automate the start of a route to ensure the right people get notified for review. Once the approvals are complete, the document is automatically transitioned to release. Bookmarks are a unique way of organising your content, without duplicating it in multiple locations. Now it's easier than ever to see all the bookmarks that are referencing a design and choose which bookmark to open, making accessing your content easy and efficient. Chat is the modern way we communicate. It's quick, convenient and timely. Now you can create custom groups to clearly organise your chats, making them easier to access. In SOLIDWORKS Design 2026, you can create iterations and provide comments describing what changed. Simply indicate that you want to create a new iteration during the save of your design, and add a comment to provide additional clarity to the iteration. These iterations can be accessed at any time, providing you a convenient way to get back to an earlier state of your design. Smart components have long been a powerful way to standardise and automate the creation of features associated with a part. In SOLIDWORKS Design 2026, the components can be fully stored on the 3D Experience platform, making them conveniently accessible to your whole team. Associated features are added, saving you time and ensuring consistent accuracy every time the component is used. When you connect SOLIDWORKS Design 2026 to the 3D Experience platform, you can use Aura, an AI natural language search, save configurations as a new part, connect with forums directly from the task pane, share designs with others, automatically stamp drawings with their status, save weldment cut lists, store external design tables, create deformable components, get bookmarks to update automatically, integrate more content into 3D Swim, automate Office document routings, streamline bookmarks, create conversation groups, add iteration comments and upload smart components. Please join us in our next video for what's new in PDM for SOLIDWORKS 2026.